Okay, so I'm in LaGrange today, in an old sunroom, probably about 35 years old. We're replacing all the glass in it, but this has a Pow-r Vent Header, and I just wanted to kind of explain why it's so inefficient to have that. Just kind of show you what we're looking at. So here we're at the ridge. This is what the Pow-r Vent Header looks like. Way out, so then you sort of whatever keeps the draft down in place here. Get that out of there. Oh, and there's some wasp in there, so obviously you got some nice air penetration. And if you look in there, it's just a big old hollow space. And then on the outside, you have these little flaps. I don't know if you can see that. These little flaps that kind of open up, so air is just flowing through there so well. It's completely inefficient. So on this job, we're actually going to remove it all, and then we're going to make this upper piece of glass be a little bit bigger to take up that space.